Can it? Yeah, and MetaGPT-X is proving it right now. It's not just an AI chatbot that spits out code snippets. It's a fully structured AI-powered development team capable of handling every step of the software creation process. Instead of working alone or hiring a full development team, you get an AI team leader, product manager, architect, engineer, and data analyst, all collaborating to turn a simple text prompt into a fully functional application. You type in an idea, and MetaGPT-X breaks it down, plans the architecture, generates clean modular code, and deploys it with a single click. It's designed to think and work like a real development team, with built-in multi-agent collaboration, ensuring that AI agents debate and refine solutions before writing any code. Unlike simple AI coding assistants, it integrates Supabase to automatically generate backend schemas, Git versioning to ensure clean and trackable code, push to GitHub or GitLab, and browser-enhanced research, allowing agents to open pages, compare layouts, and summarize findings to optimize software designs. You can track every decision made by the AI, view version history, and replay past steps to learn and iterate. Plus, with visual customization, you can modify app components on the fly. No deep coding knowledge needed. Once your project is ready, MetaGPT-X lets you deploy instantly and continue refining your app until it's production ready. And it doesn't stop there. MetaGPT-X includes App World, where you can share your projects, remix existing ones, and collaborate with AI agents to keep improving software over time. Whether you're a developer looking to automate workflows, a startup wanting to speed up product development, a product manager needing quick prototypes, or even a non-coder with an idea, this AI system can bridge the gap between concept and execution. Instead of replacing developers, AI tools like MetaGPT-X enhance productivity, allowing humans to focus on creative and high-level problem-solving, while AI handles repetitive and structured tasks. The future of software development is shifting, faster, smarter, and more automated than ever. If you want to see how MetaGPT-X can change the way you build software, try it today. Link below.